Hey guys, welcome to my first Subway Surfers video. Alright guys, there might be little stuff in the background, but it'll go away. Yeah, this is the old version. Let's try it. Alright, this is the old version. I actually have everything. Like, you can't say I don't have everything. Okay. Never mind. You could say. As you see on my... Okay. I'm sorry for the background. Ooh, actually. It's kind of looks cool, but, I'm gonna use Diego. Yeah, I'm gonna use Diego. Hold up. Let me see what board, and then I'll catch up. Alright, guys. I just finished. I have everything. Here, let me... There we go. I guess I'm just gonna have to talk louder. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna turn it down just a tiny bit. I have a grease board. It's a Thunder. Okay. But I have 296 of them. I haven't been playing this game a lot. It's just, I hacked it. Don't know if that's bad. Okay. That was unexpected. I mean, that was expected. But, hey guys, that was a weird cut. Just like stopped. I mean, I kind of stopped it, but it was weird. Yeah, you go. Alright. I am so sorry, guys, for cutting a lot, but anyways, I just died. As you see, my high score is actually really high. It's gonna take a while. That was a mission. It's a weird mission. Let me use my surfboard so I could save the shoes. Oh, never mind. As soon as I die, I'm not gonna save it. I'm just gonna end the video here. Or there. Not here yet. I'm not gonna use any more boards. Oh, as soon as I say that, my board goes out. I just want to stay in the middle. Oh my god, I did not mean to get that board. Here, I'll lose the board in a second. Here you go. And curveball. And curveball. Yeah, okay, so I just died. Let's see what we get from this box and then I'll end it. Oh, okay, okay. It says that, but I just want to show you something real quick. And another one, okay. Oh, no. Okay. I'm just gonna cut it. Alright, so, ads everywhere, God. It says I needed more stereos. Oh, I still have this dragon. Pretty cool. Okay, whatever. I think you need this guy. What? Oh, fresh. And I didn't get him because I didn't like him. I have this one. There's so many. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.